Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best Dutch ovens for camping on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best Dutch ovens for camping. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. How do you find the best Dutch oven for camping? The ultimate camper's cauldron, a Dutch oven lets you whip up hot, stick-to-your-ribs meals using nothing more than basic ingredients, coals, and a little patience. The beauty of Dutch oven cooking around the campfire is that it makes us humans feel connected to our raw, ancestral roots. There's no need to feel intimidated about getting started with outdoor Dutch oven cooking. I'll show you how to find a high-quality, highly rated Dutch oven that gets food hot without hassles. Number 1. Lodge LADOT 3 Deep Camp Dutch Oven. This 8-quart Dutch oven brings a portable kitchen experience to a camp stove. Like all of Lodge's cast iron products, this oven is made in the United States. It features a flanged lid that securely holds hot coals. When inverted, the lid becomes a griddle. One big concern that all campers have when dealing with hot coals and fire is stability. Fortunately, this Dutch oven's design has integrated legs that allow it to sit securely over the campfire without wobbling or tipping. You'll appreciate all the stability you can get when wielding this 18-pound cooker. Another highlight is that Lodge sells all of its cast iron cookware as pre-seasoned cookware. With this brand, you never have to worry about synthetic chemicals used during the seasoning process because Lodge only uses soy-based vegetable oil for seasoning. You'll find that the iron gets better and better the more it's used. Pros. Made right in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee. Comes pre-seasoned without chemicals. Sturdy design. Amazing heat retention, even heat distribution. Cons. Deceptively heavy. Number 2. Overmont Camp Dutch Oven. This 9-quart camping Dutch oven is great for everything from skillet cooking to casseroles. The lid can be used for frying. Using a safe, non-stick surface, the Overmont Camp Dutch Oven provides tons of value for your money based on all of the different ways it can be used. It's also a space-saving cooker because you're getting multiple cooking methods for the weight of a single pot. This 13-pound cooker can almost be considered compact. Overall, the heat distribution on this Dutch oven is good. The seal is especially effective for locking in heat for cooking up roasted meats that require high, intensive heat. While there's no denying that this Dutch oven has heft, Overmont includes a lid lifter that makes light work of maneuvering your way through a cooking session. The pot also comes pre-seasoned with vegetable oil. Pros. Weight is very manageable for the value and versatility provided. Great for skillets, casseroles, and fried dishes. Great seal for heat retention. The flavors are really locked in. Cons. While pre-seasoned, this pot requires meticulous upkeep with seasoning to maintain its quality. Number 3. Lodge L12 3 Cast Iron Dutch Oven. Like all Lodge cast iron products, this pre-seasoned 9-quart Dutch oven is made in the United States. It is seasoned with all natural vegetable oil instead of chemicals to ensure carefree cooking at the campsite. The gist of this Dutch oven is that it offers amazing heat retention and easy cleaning. You're not getting any fancy features with this pot. It's simply a sturdy pot with a convenient wire bail handle. However, it will quickly become a go-to pot for searing, sautéing, broiling, baking, frying, or grilling while camping. At 19 pounds, this Dutch oven is heavier than it looks. However, it's easy to pack it along when you consider how many different things it can cook up for you. Pros. Weight is reasonable. Even heat distribution. Great heat retention. Made in USA. Pre-seasoned without chemicals. Cons. Heavier than it looks. Number 4. Dartmoor 9-quart Dutch Oven. The classic, clean-cut design of this Dutch oven will catch your eye immediately. Offering 9-quart capacity, this Dutch oven is pre-seasoned with all natural vegetable oils instead of chemicals. You'll notice immediately that it features a lid with legs. This is always a sign that the lid can be used as a skillet/griddle at the campsite to allow for versatile cooking for a crowd. The deep dish lid on this Dutch oven is designed to increase airflow for even cooking. Additionally, there's a looped handle on the lid that makes carrying the pot a breeze. This Dutch oven gets extra points for its built-in thermometer notch that allows you to detect food temperatures before serving. This pot also comes with a lid lifter that allows you to safely and conveniently lift the lid without direct contact with your hands. One thing that stands out about this design is the tight fit of the lid. It's great for keeping coals out of food when you're cooking with low visibility in the evening. The thick walls on this Dutch oven do a fantastic job of retaining heat. The side walls also help to promote even heat distribution for beautiful results. At just over 21 pounds, this Dutch oven isn't exactly on the light side for the amount of cooking space you're getting. However, the extra heft is owed to the thickness of the design. Pros: thick walls create even, well-retained heat. The lid doubles as a skillet/griddle. Built-in temperature gauge. Comes with a lid lifter. Pre-seasoned with natural oils. Cons: a little heavy for the size. Cover has a snug fit that keeps coals out of your food. Number 5. Unocasa Cast Iron Dutch Oven. This 6-quart Dutch oven is great for camping in pairs because it provides more than enough space for meals for two without the need to lug around something that's as heavy as a 9-quart pot. It weighs just 17 pounds. Unocasa's pre-seasoned Dutch oven comes with a lid that doubles as a skillet. I appreciate the extra long legs on the lid because stout legs can sometimes be difficult when you don't have any smooth terrain to work with while cooking at a campsite. The handle on the pot is also noticeably sturdy. This Dutch oven comes with a lid lifter and tote bag as bonus items. Pros: feels light and portable. Comes with a bonus lifter and tote. Very sturdy design. Griddle lid has extra long legs. Cons: the finish feels a little hard to clean. Meal sizes are limited with a 6-quart pot. Final thoughts, unveiling my pick for the best Dutch oven for camping. I'm confident that all of the Dutch ovens reviewed above would be terrific assets when whipping up stews, roasts, breads, and more at a campsite. However, only one earned my respect as a must-have Dutch oven for every camping trip. My pick is the Lodge Deep Camp Dutch Oven. It's hard to outdo a brand that's been making cast iron products in Tennessee since 1896. This brand really understands how to make beautiful Dutch ovens that combine the performance and portability today's campers need. The flinged lid is exceptional for holding coals without letting them slip over the sides. I was also won over by the griddle lid with integrated legs, all-natural pre-seasoning method, and tidy 18-pound weight. Overall, the Lodge Deep Camp Dutch Oven makes the top of my list due to its unmatched quality and durability. It's a Dutch oven for camping you'll be passing on to the grandchildren. My final suggestion is to really consider what the weight of a Dutch oven means for your camping configuration. You have to map out the number of people you think you'll be cooking for during most of your camping trips before you can decide how much extra weight you're willing to pack alone. I encourage anyone who is looking for a Dutch oven that's smaller, larger, or configured for a specific type of cooking style to investigate the rest of the picks on this roundup of the best camping Dutch ovens to find their perfect fit. It's never a bad idea to get 2 different sizes to ensure that you're free to pack light during trips when you'll only be cooking for 1 to 2 people instead of whipping up a feast for a crowd.